Now let's work on subtracting measurements that are made in feet and inches. Example 1, subtract 6 foot 5 from 10 foot 10. So we'll go ahead and write out the subtraction problem. So because we're subtracting 6 foot 5 from 10 foot 10, it means we're starting with 10 foot 10 and we're taking 6 foot 5 away from it. So 10 feet, 10 inches minus 6 feet, 5 inches. Just like when we combined feet and inches with adding, when we're subtracting, we're going to follow a similar tactic, which is to subtract the feet and the inches separately. So we can subtract the feet, 10 feet and 6 feet, and we can subtract the inches, 10 inches and 5 inches. So 10 feet minus 6 feet is 4 feet, and 10 inches minus 5 inches is 5 inches. So 10 feet 10 inches minus 6 feet 5 inches is 4 feet 5 inches. Let's do one last example here with subtraction. So Brendan has a 6 foot 2 inch long 2x4 and he's asked to cut off a 3 foot 7 section for some other project. And we want to know what the total length of that board is going to be after we take off that 3 foot 7 section. So this is a subtraction problem this time. So we have 6 feet 2 inches and we're subtracting away 3 feet 7 inches. So we have to be careful with subtraction because we don't want to just go ahead and start subtracting the feet and the inches super quickly, because what we're going to see is that we can't do 2 inches minus 7 inches. We can't take 7 away from 2 without going into negative numbers, and we don't want to do that. That doesn't make any sense as a measurement. So what we actually have to do is a little bit of borrowing here. We're going to borrow 12 inches from that 6 feet. So I'm going to turn this 6 foot 2 inches into 5 feet and then 12 inches from there into 14 inches. 6 feet and 2 inches is the same as 5 feet and 14 inches. And then we're going to try to subtract 3 feet 7 inches, because now we'll actually be able to do this with regular subtraction. So now we can try to subtract the feet. So we'll do this one first. Subtract 5 feet and 3 feet. So 5 minus 3 is 2 feet. And now we're going to do the inches. 14 inches minus 7 inches is 7 inches. So our 6 foot 2 subtract 3 foot 7 problem, we were able to use a little bit of borrowing to figure out that the amount of board you have left is 2 feet 7 inches.